You're watching Wall Street Confidential. We are discussing CSX, big railroad company, big railroad stock. The company, okay, on the one hand, you've got it being targeted by hedge funds. Right. On the other hand, blowout results today, talking about earnings growth.
Well, I mean, we have to understand that both this and a company we talked about earlier, Joy Global, are part of what ended up being the most irrational era that I've seen in years, which is the hedge funds gone wild. A bunch of hedge funds targeted CSX. It's the best railroad, it has the best performance, and it's run by the best CEO. And they went after this because they said it was poorly performing and not doing well. Just ridiculous. Michael Ward took that company from John Snow, and he's made it from a bad railroad to a great railroad, and he keeps improving. I regard Michael Ward. I don't have any friends. I just try to make you money. But Michael Ward's as close as you're going to get to a friend of mine, because it was one of the first stocks in the first week that I recommended on Mad Money, and he caught it. His mother liked it. I gave his mother a book. He was supposed to come up on my special show. He got hit by the hurricane, so he couldn't. But CSX just shows me, like Joy Global, that things are out of control. I mean, that this is the guy, the number one performing manager, maybe in the whole S&P, that he's been targeted is ridiculous. That Joy Global got sent down to a 52% decline from where it was by hedge funds. Ridiculous. Foster Wheeler goes all the way down to where it's got $10 in cash and the stock is at $35, and it's going to earn $4. I mean, we're seeing right now the denouement of hedge funds. We're seeing that they have brought stocks down to levels that are too ridiculous, and you got to think about buying. And CSX shows me the flaw in the whole system, that the hedge funds are went after this guy is ludicrous. We're wiping out a lot of the bad hedge funds. That's a godsend for this market. We need them all gone. We need the other, we had Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Those were hedge funds. Lehman turned out to be a hedge fund. They're gone. They will be gone. By the way, I think that Goldman could buy them with government guarantees. People say, oh, government guarantees. Watch the dollar. The dollar's going higher. So CSX, it's on the strength of coal, on the strength of fertilizer. These are areas that may have slowed in terms of the stocks, but not in terms of the businesses.
Right, and they're expecting free cash flow before dividends of about $1 billion.
I mean, see that they will target this guy is, again, hedge funds gone wild. It's driving me crazy.
All right, I like that title. Hedge funds gone wild. CSX. We're talking about that on Wall Street Confidential. Stay tuned.